guys, welcome back to Lymphallation. This is Jovita here and today's video is going to be another collective haul. So if you're following me on Instagram and Snapchat and if you've watched my previous video, then you'll know that I'm in Australia right now. So before coming to Australia, I purchased a few things but I couldn't film a haul video because everything was so rushed and I didn't get time. So I thought I'll add those things into this video and also show you guys what all I've purchased from Australia. So if you guys want to know what all I've got, then please keep watching. So firstly, I'm going to be showing you all the things that I got from India, and most of them I purchased during the sale period, and all the stores basically had 50% off, and that is the time I got these things. So the first top that I got is from Bermuda. It's this very simple and casual sleeveless top, and I really liked it because you can dress it up or you can dress it down, and I love the floral print on it and the color as well because I really love the purple and black together. So that's why I thought I should get this. And I'm really sorry but I don't remember any of the prices because I got them like 1 month ago and I didn't save the bills, so I don't have any of the prices, but if I find them online I will link them in the description box for you. So the next thing that I got is this very cute tee, and this also was from Bermuda. So this is like an oversized crop top and it's so comfy, and I really liked it because it has French fries written on it and I really liked the color as well. So this was the second one. The next thing that I got is another plain white t-shirt, and I just was looking out for a lot of t-shirts to get along with me to Australia, so I got this one, and this is like a very basic white t-shirt with 76 printed on it. So moving on, this is the next thing that I got, and this is like a sleeveless party outfit, and I really liked it because of the sequins work on it, and this is how it looks like. So the last thing that I got from Bermuda was a very pretty piece, and this is like my favorite piece from the entire lot, and this wasn't on sale, and I got this because it's very pretty and it has a very summery feel to it, and it also looks very boho. So this is what it looks like, and I like the detailing over here, and it also has full length bell sleeves with the pattern over here as well, and it looks really pretty. So then I went to Forever 21, but like I mentioned, every store was on sale and Forever 21 didn't have a lot of things that I could purchase. So the entire store was on sale, but maximum of the things that they were selling were in the small and medium range, and I couldn't find anything except dresses, and all they had were like 3 t-shirt dresses. All I got was this basic yellow t-shirt, and this is like a v-necked t-shirt with like a pocket on the side, and I really like the color. I don't have anything like this, so I just got a plain t-shirt. And the next thing that I got from Lifestyle is like this jacket, but like a kimono sort of, so I'm going to be using it with like camisole inside. So it has this high-low pattern, so in the front it's short and then in the back it's long. I really like the print and the color combination on this, and that's why I got this. So moving on, I got like 2 things from Westside. The first one is this top that I'm wearing right now. This has a very beautiful pattern over here. It's like a netted see-through sheer pattern. And the second thing that I got is a kurta because I just wanted some Indian wear. This kurta again is a high-low pattern. It comes till like below my knee from the front, and the back is like completely till my ankle. So these were all the clothing items that I got from India, and then accessories wise I'll be showing you later on. Now I'll move on to the clothes that I got from Australia. So the first 2 tops that I got are from Target, and Target has like really cute collection of clothes, and basically the day we went there half of the items were on clearance sale. So I got 2 tops, and the first one is this black off shoulder. The second one is again from Target, and it's like this basic denim shirt which has a high-low pattern again. So this is what it looks like. So the last clothing item that I got was from Cotton On, and it's from the men's section, but I really liked it because it's a plaid shirt and I didn't have this color. Moving on to accessories and other items, I got this very cute backpack from Zara, and this is what it looks like, and I really wanted something like this, and this was on sale again. And then I got some chokers from Colaba Causeway. The first one is this one, which is like a basic tattooed choker like they call it, and the second one is what I'm wearing right now, and I really find this very cute. It's like a layered one, so there's like one choker with like a small piece of chain attached to it. So this is a really cute one and I like this. And the third one that I got is this basic black one with the gold detailing in the front. And then I DIY'd some chokers, some lace chokers. So I got this lace material from this shop that sells a lot of different variety of laces and buttons, and then from the same guy that I purchased the chokers, I got got this ring and I also got this layered chain, and it's really pretty and I really like it, and it has like 3 chains attached to it. So this is what it looks like. And then from Target I got this hat, and I've been wanting this for a very long time, and I finally got it, and it was for $20 again. So this is what it looks like, and I really like it because it's so cute and it's also very summery, and summer and spring is around the corner in Australia, so I can use it over here. And I really like how it looks on me, and if I could, I would really wear it throughout the whole video. That's how much I love it. And lastly, moving on to shoes, I have like 3 pairs and I got all of them from Target. So the first one is this black slip-on. So this is the second pair. This is what my mom got, but eventually we both end up using the black and the grey as well. So this is like half mine, half hers. And the last pair of shoes that I got are these plain white sneakers. The one that I had has gotten really dirty now, so I ended up buying this. So those were all the things in my collective haul. I know this will be like a really long video, but I wanted to show the things that I got in India as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and also liked watching it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because I do make new videos every week. And leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what kind of videos you guys would want to watch next, and I would love to reply to all of you. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.